Yeah, taking off the bumper of this 2008 Volkswagen Passat. It's a lot of work. I just take out that piece of grill right there, and then there's some clips up under here. There's somewhere up under here. It's my first time taking off one of these anyway, so I gotta have to go step by step, because I never really take one of these off before. Alright, and then there's fluid leaking from this transmission line somewhere up in here. I can't even see that line. It's rusty. Alright, so it's dark up under here too. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do for today. You possibly have to get the bumper off because the oil cooler up in this grill right here, and the line's rotten. That goes into the oil cooler system. So an oil leaking down in there. Alright. So rock with me while I take this thing off. I'll go step by step. I'll show you what I get done. Alright. Yeah, taking off the bumper skin. To get to that transmission line right there. That transmission line is where it's leaking, it's rusty. So I'll be taking off these clips. It's a lot of work. I didn't video most of it. I'm moving all these screws because it's too much work. It takes too much time. I don't want to board anybody. You know, but now I'm trying to get off this bumper skin. Up to those lines. Take off the wheels already. I have to get down in there. Those rusty lines down in there. Yeah, they're right. And they go up to this oil cooler right here. Yeah, that's what leaking out most of the transmission fluid. Then I think I have to move this side also, I'm not sure yet. That's my first time taking off. It's a 2008. And that goes to the ambient sensor. Right up in here. So you have to be careful with that. Don't try to break these wires. Alright. Ambient temp. Get all those little clips out. Alright. Alright, that's the ambient temp. Put it back. Alright. Now I'm right at the pipes. They're rotten. Alright, I think I should take the skin off completely. I don't want it to break on this side. So let me just take off this whole skin. I'll be right back. Yeah, bumper off. Take a while to come off because it's my first time taking off one of these. Then those are the rusty boys right there. Alright, so them liners gotta fix right now. And this bumper off now. So give me more access. Get to that line and replace it. Alright. 2008 Volkswagen Passat. bumper skin off. Now the trick is to replace these lines. So rusty, leaking out. Forgot. Leaking out all the fluid between here. Rotten. Hope the transmission not burn up yet. Yeah, buddy. Alright. I'm gonna take all this. I'm gonna move the bumper. It's not going back tonight.